This tube is slightly under 2 feet, so I'm gonna cut this in close to 1 foot, so I have two of these. One is gonna, like I said, one is gonna go on this side, one is going on this side, and then I'll add the elbow over here. And then I gotta measure and cut the holes for these to go in. And here I have the two pieces. It's gonna have to clean up this edge, the other edge, and start making the hole on the lid. Well, I'm just gonna use a little piece of sandpaper and just sand this off on both sides and make it a little smooth it out here. All right, and okay. I got it nice and smooth on the edges. Both sides are good to go on both of these. 41.5 should work. Yep, that'll work. So now that I got my measurements, so it should be the same on each side, I guess. 45, so that would put this right around here. So that's about right. So it's actually 41.6. Let's do 41.5. Okay, so I marked 41.6 on each side, like around here, and around there. Okay, I drew two lines on each side, and they are this is where I have to make the holes. I have to align these up perfectly with the circles, and then I'll proceed to do the holes. Okay, now that the holes are done, I need to make some cuts into the PVC pipe around maybe you're starting right here all the way up to about like that. Something like this. So the air is forced to go up through here, and it would come out the top. So it's forced this way, come out that way. So that'd be the next step, just do some slots. I made the cut with the cutoff wheel. So here you go. Just gotta do, just tear these off. And I'm just going to clean these up, a little bit of sanding.